Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word morbid. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The movie's plot took a morbid turn when the main character unexpectedly died in a tragic accident. Morbid means characterized by an unhealthy fascination with death, disease, or other disturbing topics, often involving a sense of gloom or gruesomeness. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.